Today we will discuss hoses used for fuel transfer, including those for jet engines and refueling Formula 1 cars. These hoses have a highly specialized construction, completely different from conventional hoses. I will explain what makes our hoses stand out and why investing in them is a smart choice. My name is Michał Mróz and I invite you to watch this material on composite hoses. Since every composite hoses is built in the same way, let's start with their constructions. Internal spiral ensures resistance to vacuum pressure. Reinforcement and sealing layers consist of two fabric layers with foil layers in between. Here comes the first key argument for choosing our hoses. Composite hoses available on the market typically have about 10 foil layers, whereas our hoses have up to 17 layers to significantly improve both sealing and durability. We can offer all types of composite hoses in a fire-resistant, fire-safe version. These hoses maintain their seal at 800 degrees Celsius for up to 30 minutes and do not sustain combustion even at 1200 degrees Celsius. External spiral binds all the components together, providing abrasion and mechanical damage resistance. The fabric and foil layers are made from different material depending on the medium being transported and the general working condition of the hose. The same applies to the inner and outer spiral. The material they are made of is indicated in the product code of a given hose. This unique construction makes composite hose much more flexible and lighter than, for example, their rubber counterparts. For comparison, I use a suction discharge hose of the same diameter, same length and similar purpose. The flexibility of the composite hose is undeniable. As you can see, the weight is much less than the weight of the rubber hose. Our composite hoses are primarily used for transfer, loading and unloading of petroleum products such as diesel, heating oil, vegetable oil, gasoline and biofuels, solvent, acids and bases, including high aggressive chemicals like hydrochloric acids and sodium hypochlorite, hot bitumen oils and paraffin transfer. Cryogenic, low temperature liquids such as liquefied gases including LPG. Based on their application, we classify them into four groups: hoses for fuels and petroleum products, hoses for biofuels and aviation fuels, hoses for chemical substance, special purpose hoses. Where are composite hoses used? In loading system, filling and emptying devices, unloading and loading of road and rail tankers, industrial installation, permanent equipment in fuel tankers, port transshipment system, ship-to-shore and ship-to-ship, floating roof drainage hoses. All our composite hoses are designed and manufactured according to high international and American standards. To ensure safety, maximum efficiency, reliability and longevity, we offer fully assembled composite hoses, assemblies tailored to your specification. With our specialized crimping technology, we guarantee electrical conductivity in every hose we produce. And this is yet another compelling reason to choose Tubes International composite hoses, as each hose undergoes rigorous conductive testing before it leaves our facility. While the material used in composite hoses vary, their construction remains the same. Instead of analyzing each hose in detail, I will highlight some impressive numbers. Maximum length of a single hose can reach up to 40 meters. A great example is one of our flagship products, the Fuelstar hose. Pressure range of some of our hoses varies from -0.9 bar up to 25 bar. Why should you choose our product? Because, of course, just like with electrical conductivity, every hose is pressure tested by us. Additionally, the safe factor reaches as high as 5:1. So when you choose our hoses, you can be confident that you are selecting the highest possibility quality. When it comes to temperature resistance, the maximum temperature of some of our composite hoses reach up to 160 degrees Celsius, while the minimum goes as low as -104 degrees Celsius. For example, the Danchem Cryogenic hose operated within a range of -104 to +80 degrees Celsius, And the Danflon, a high temperature hose, is designed to withstand temperature up to 160 degrees Celsius. Transporting biofuels to jet engines, synthetic fuel or aviation turbine fuel poses a real challenge. That's where another star in our offer comes in, the Aerostar hoses. The AA version, for example, features two aluminum spirals, significantly reducing weight and making the hose much easier to handle. For chemical transfer, the Chemstar hose is ideal, and for highly aggressive substance, the perfect solution is the Chemstar PTFE hose. In addition to its chemical resistance, one of its variants operates in a temperature range from -40 to 125 degrees Celsius. It's also worth mentioning hoses designed specifically for road tankers, for both fuel and vapor transfer. And to answer a common question in advance, yes, our composite hoses comes with a TDT declaration. A notable feature of these hoses is the cap-safe system, protection against fuel cross-contamination. What does it mean in practice? The composite hose sends a signal to ensure that the fuel is delivered to the correct tank at the filling station. If the operator connects the hose to the wrong fittings, fuel transfer becomes impossible. In addition to offering new, fully tested composite hose, Tubes International also provide repair service for damaged hoses. So, if your composite hoses was, for example, run over or crushed, which are the most common cause of damage, after consulting with our quality department, we may be able to repair it. That's another great reason to work with our company. We also offer a wide range of fittings and couplings for composite hoses, from tank wagon couplings, cam locks, flange ends, dry disconnect couplings to custom integrated angle fittings. No matter your requirements, we have got your covered. Besides the hoses themselves, we also provide essential accessories such as hose band support sling, made of abrasion-resistant polyurethane designed for lifting and suspending hoses of all types during loading and unloading. It protects the hose from kinking and damage, especially recommended for composite hose. The red support ensures visibility while operating, and the sling is included as part of the set. Hose cards, designed to make it easy to move composite or other material hoses. This prevents mechanical damage from dragging hose across floor. Standard cards comes with two guide wheels, 4 wheels version available on request. The handles are made of polyurethane and the base is steel, making the card strong, durable, yet relatively lightweight. Wheels are easily replaceable and comes in 100 or 125 mm diameters, depending on the card size. Rubber protection rings provide extra protection against abrasion, especially useful when hose movement across the floor is unavoidable. Made from profile type, secured with clamps. The universal design makes them suitable not only for composite hoses, but also for rubber, thermoplastic, PTFE and metal hoses. And on that positive note, I thank you for watching and invite you to follow our channel.